Stop scrolling. Almost everyone gets this simple math problem wrong. 16 divided by 8 in the parentheses 1 plus 1. Take a second and try solving it. Most people say the answer is 1. Here's why. First they solve the parentheses. 1 plus 1 equals 2, so it becomes 16 divided by 8 times 2. Then they multiply 8 times 2 equals 16. Now it looks like 16 divided by 16 equals 1, but that's the mistake. Now let's solve it the correct way using the PEMDAS rule. First, solve the parentheses. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now the expression becomes 16 divided by 8 2. In PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority, so we solve from left to right. First, 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Now the expression becomes 2 times 2, so the correct answer is 4. Now here's your homework. 16 divided by 2 times 2 equals. Comment your answer below. And if you like these quick brain challenges, hit the like button and I'll post more like this.